So now look at this. So, it's working. I don't get any errors in this.
I think I need to restart and check once again.
Just stop the camera and run it again.
Okay.
Deepa, try to open new one.
New Jupyter Notebook.
Yeah, new Jupyter Notebook. Try once.
Okay, let me try that. Yeah, it's working in the new one. Thank you, Shweta. Thank you.
Most.
Okay, so then now like if you ask for this filter function, right? Suppose simple function. Suppose I have a list with me, and I have the same number we will pick. I have some numbers with me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now what I do over here is I say filter, right? And we have lambda. I'm creating a lambda. I want to pick only the positive even numbers. So I say x divided by 2 equals to 0, right? Then we take that list one that we have written. This also comes inside filter. Oh, sorry, list. This is where I'm able to use it.
If I use map here, will I get the Boolean result here?
Yes, true and
For
false.
each and every, okay. Amit, I can also give restart and run in kernel menu, right? If I
You want
get
to start the
yeah, restart and run all.
It will execute filter and execute the entire.
Yeah, all the errors gone. It is working in the same notebook.
Right.
Yeah.
So I'm just sharing some videos. So I'll just share an assignment with you all to just to have a practice on the things. Right, so this is where we'll take a pause for now. Right, so tomorrow what we will be doing is, so now after we have to start off with the NumPy Pandas libraries. So that we will start tomorrow as a fresh, right? So in the meantime, just have shared an assignment. If you can just check if you all have received it. And we can discuss on it if you have any questions or queries on this. And in fact, I'm just sharing one more stuff. This is also both the assignments are really good one. Second one will take all your skills checked. So I'll share two things. Right. So just try to work on these two assignments. And then from tomorrow, so we'll start out with the packages.
in that libraries only, you will be showing, right? How will you import your files into Python? Like,
That we do with pandas. So over there we have the functions like in R we have read.csv, read Excel. So
yeah.
similarly in the pandas we have the functions over there.
Okay.
Okay. So thanks
Okay.
everyone. So,
Thank you, Amit.
Yeah,
Bye.
thank you.
Thank you for the session. Bye. Bye.